Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are best. I am going to talk about a special day. Today is very special day. Today is famous birthday of Rabindranath Tagore, who was a world famous poet. But many people did not know who is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born in West Bengal. The village name was Jorasanko. It also in the Kolkata. Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and he returned from this earth. It was 1941. That time British government was ruling in India. So if we talk about who was Rabindranath Tagore and what kind of poet, Rabindranath Tagore was a world famous poet. He has written more poem, essay, novel, short story and Rabindra song, and he gave more number of music in his Rabindra song. Also song almost wrote using by Bengali language. Rabindranath Tagore lost his mother in early stage. His all study had been starting in his home behind the four wall. Many teacher gave him for teach. So behind the four wall he has been taken his study. Rabindranath Tagore wrote his first poem when he was 5 years old. It was Abhilasha by Bengali language, and after that he continuously write his poem, drama, short story and essay and novel. Rabindranath Tagore had got Nobel Prize in 1913. He was the only one man who had got the Nobel Prize at first from the Asia Mahadesh, and also he was our pride. He was our world famous poet. He wrote the Gitanjali poetry book. Writing this book, he had got Nobel Prize. If you study the Gitanjali poetry book, you will find many things. You will find how was the world, how was the man, how was the human behavior, and how was the social barrier in deeply. You mostly find in this poetry book. After that, British government get British government gave night tag to Rabindranath Tagore. It was 19th, but Rabindranath Tagore it denied that time, because we also know that when British government was ruling in our India, they did a bad rules in Jallianwala Bagh. There are so many Indian died. So many Indian have got die from British government. So for this reason, our dear poem Rabindranath Tagore did not take this tag, night tag. And Rabindranath Tagore also was a famous Indian nationalism person. When Bengal was going to divide, that time Rabindranath Tagore protest in deeply. So for this reason, Rabindranath Tagore has been more relevant in our country. Rabindranath Tagore wrote more short story. That short story was very famous. Shanti, Nirupama, and more. It was also Bengali, and this name was by Bengali language. I don't know what is called by English. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the last poem in his life. It was Ora Kaj Kore. It was also is called by Bengali language. So Rabindranath Tagore was a great literature in our India, also all over world. Rabindranath Tagore was a songwriter. Rabindranath Tagore was an essayist. Rabindranath Tagore was an poetry writer. Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the 1900s Bengali Rabindranath song. This song has been famous in our country. That these songs these songs are more used to important and enjoying song till now. And at last, I would say why Rabindranath Tagore more important to us. When you get sorrow, when you get concern, when you get more bad feeling, if you feel once a time to Rabindranath Tagore, you will more peace, you will more joy, and you will watch your winning way. You will get more opportunity. So, without Rabindranath Tagore, our life, our feelings, nothing. Rabindranath Tagore was past, Rabindranath Tagore is present, and Rabindranath Tagore will be future. So, without Rabindranath Tagore, Indian literature is not complete. So many Indian film, so many international film has used Rabindranath Tagore's story, song, and his literature. So many countless cinema has been created using by Rabindranath Tagore songs and his famous little short story. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh, and Rabindranath Tagore wrote our Janagana Mano Adhinayaka, this national anthem. So, how could we forget our dear Rabindranath Tagore? It was Rabindranath Tagore's 165th birthday.